At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, August 14, 2023, George Soros renews bet on Rivian stock. Soros first invested in Rivian when it was a private company. George Soros acquired 608,583 shares of Rivian stock during the second quarter. At the same time, he sold out of his call position against 1 million shares of the company. Rivian stock is up by more than 20% so far this year. Rivian, Nasdaq RIVN, stock is in full focus after George Soros Fund Management filed its Form 13F for the second quarter. Notably, the famed fund manager reported increasing his Rivian stock stake by 608,583 shares, or by 0.24%, compared to the first quarter. As of June 30, his Rivian stake of 4.18 million shares accounts for 1.09% of his 13F portfolio, making it his 26th largest position. At the same time, Soros also sold off his entire stake of call options against 1 million shares of Rivian. He acquired this position during the first quarter. From January 31 to June 30, Rivian's stock price fell by about 4%. A Form 13F does not provide the specific date that an entity purchased shares, only the specific quarter. As a result, it's not known if Soros sold out of his call position for a profit or loss. George Soros added shares during second quarter. Soros wasn't the only esteemed fund manager who increased their Rivian stock position during second quarter. Coatue Management's Philippe Lafone also reported acquiring 615,829 shares, bringing his total stake to 3.32 million shares. As of June 30, Rivian accounted for 0.27% of Coatue's 13F portfolio, making it the fund's 42nd largest position. Both Soros and Lafone first held a Rivian position publicly during fourth quarter 2021, which is when the electric vehicle company hosted its initial public offering. In fact, both fund managers acquired a stake in the company before it even went public through private funding rounds. Soros Fund Management has an average holding period of 4.14 quarters for its 13F portfolio. Positions in its top 20 positions have an average holding period of 3.05 quarters, while top 10 stocks have an average holding period of just 1 quarter. Soros has now owned Rivian stock for nearly 2 years now, which has significantly exceeded his average holding period. Meanwhile, Coatue is more of a long-term investor. The fund has an average holding period of 6.87 quarters for stocks in its 13F portfolio. Ultimately, these two funds increasing their Rivian stake bodes well for the company. Institutional ownership of Rivian in aggregate as of second quarter will be known soon, as today is the deadline for institutional investors to file their Form 13F for the second quarter. Thanks for watching.